Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to avoid Facebook tagging. So before anything else, please subscribe to this channel if you want more tips and tricks just like this. So managing your tagging settings on Facebook is essential for maintaining privacy and control over your online presence. So to do this, the first thing you have to do is go to your Facebook app. So which one is right here. So now what you're going to do next is you have to find the three lines which is on the bottom right. So tap here. And then through all of these settings, scroll down till you find settings and privacy. So once the drop down has been shown down, you can now go to settings. Now on settings, you can have the option that says profile and tagging, which is right here. So tap on it. And then after that, there are so many things that you could do to adjust your tagging information. You can also adjust the viewing and sharing, tagging, who can tag you in some posts. You can also disable that. You can type on only me. It depends on you. Or you can also go here in the reviewing part, which you can review the posts before they can be tagged on you. So the best thing to do is tap on the two of these options, enable them, and then you're good to go. And now that's how you disable tagging on your Facebook. Hope this tutorial helped you, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.